Hey, sixth grade. I unexpectedly had to go home, so I'm just sending you a little video for what I'd like you to do during seventh hour today. Here's the agenda that I've done with the other two classes, so you can get a chance to see that. I obviously won't be able to read aloud to you today, so in Malala, I'd like for you to listen to Chapter 5 with your audiobook, which remember you can find on your project overview, and it'll take you to Google Drive, and you should be able to find Chapter 5. And then if you can go to your checkpoint 3, it's called a book journal, and open that document, you will be doing a book journal for today on chapter 5. And if you would like to work with a partner on that, that would be fine. The other two classes, I did the book journal with the class, but since I'm not with you guys, why don't you plan to work with a partner and just do the first journal entry. So the first thing you're going to see looks like this, and you're going to want to fill out our date and the chapter that you read, and then if you want to copy and paste the little star, you can give yourself a star since we're done with that chapter. And then you're going to go down to where it says book journal entry number 1, and that's where you can start in. You're going to do a summary, and then you're going to choose 2 of the responses you want to do. So we did question and predict in the other hours, and then the other ones you can delete because you just have to pick 2 of those that you want to do. And that's your first entry. If you keep scrolling, you get to the second one. Today your responsibility is to do just the first journal entry. So thank you for being flexible, and I'll hope to see you guys on Tuesday. Bye.